going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a project that I have always wanted to get my hands on and always mess with. Originally, my mom bought this 1994 Ford Mustang, brand new, and a couple years back she had actually sold it off due to some issues that had come up and the vehicle didn't run anymore. And some kid got a hold of it and done his own thing to it. So the opportunity came up to buy the vehicle back, and I decided to kind of take a chance at it, you know, see if I can get it to run, get it home, and turn it back into what my mom had it, you know, me growing up, you know. And this was like our younger me family get around vehicle at the time, you know. That was my mom, this is what she drove for years. So I just feel like it'd be kind of cool to restore it on the channel, you know, kind of keep it a secret from her and just, you know, go at it and see what happens and see how this thing turns out. We're hoping that he finds the factory wheels that come on it, because I know her, she's more of a I like the stock look kind of person. So guys, just come along with us on this journey as we take a deep dive into this great 1994 Ford Mustang. But yeah, guys, so as you see, it's just pretty basic. Obviously, it's been sitting, and the guy did have it in a little grass patch. But it's just a basic old Mustang. Nothing too fancy. Still seems, I mean, he's got junk in it, but still seems as very much the same as when my mom had it. From my understanding of it, I'll try to see if she still has photos of when she first got it. Nothing's really changed. I mean, I don't remember the paint being this decent. Maybe it kind of seems kind of rattle can-ish. Maybe he rattle canned it and put the wheels on it, and changed the headlights out. But we see how that goofy junk worked out. Real nice Amazon specials there. Yeah, because let's see. Well, that we'll show you some old registration, North Carolina. Whew. But yeah, we're gonna dive on into this, guys, and see if we can make something happen. Oh, he had the wiring. Maybe he put a system in her. Oh, god dang. Oh, he didn't change the radio, so yeah. We're gonna find out, guys, if it's even worth it. Well, yeah, it's worth it for my mom, so we'll make it happen one way or the other. Alright, well, we're gonna drop an old battery here in this thing. And you know, as old Derek would say, old go handle works out so well sometimes. Thank God for a good cap. Alright, fire test. Okay, no fire so far. A little adjustable. Real handy. Alright, so we ain't got no fire so far. We don't smell anything. No electricals burning. So far, not so bad. Alright, boys and girls, we'll see if she starts. Let's hope for something. Cross some fingers. We got relays clicking. Nothing? We got nothing. Okay. So we got power. We ain't getting no clickety clackety. to the old, to the starter. Can I see that from here? Oh, Nikes. Well, they thought it'd be fun. Thought it'd be real fun. Alright, boys, we're gonna take a dive real quick down to the deep side. See if we can see anything. Well. Nothing doing there.
Well,
so
take a look down here at this clutch pedal, see if that sensor's anything's wrong with it.
Yeah, on these old manuals, every once in a while, them old clutch safeties will mess up and they won't do anything. So we're not getting any signal to the starter, but we'll do some digging and we'll see what we can find. Yeah.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle.
What?
That twist down there is unplugged. So, I'll see if I can wiggle my way in there to where I can plug it up.
Yeah, see, now, that's what we call the fat boy shuffle. When you gotta get up under the dash, you gotta take a little bit of this, you know, and you gotta take a little bit of the midsection. You gotta wiggle and plop to get on around there, because us fat boys just ain't meant to go into awkward positions like this. Yes, us chubby boys weren't built for. We're built for comfort, not speed or tight spots.
Old man, yeah, windows go ahead.
Oh, got old crank down windows. All right. All right. Well, hey, maybe that's it. Cause let's see. Let's see. I mean, hey. She starts. If she doesn't, well, on the next bigger problem. We're gonna put a starter on. Oh. No way. Oh. Got a little tick. Nothing major. Just some of that oil circulating. But yeah, boys and girls, this thing ain't moved in a while. If this tells you anything, I mean, there's leaves all the way up the frame there. Bottom of the oil pan area, you know. Smoking a little bit. Well, before the cats get too hot, we're gonna see if this thing will move just in case these leaves decide to catch on a blaze or anything. See if we can roll her forward a little bit at least. If not, we'll have to pull her out. Oh. See a little, she spins the tire. I don't know if the brakes is a little stuck. Okay, we might have a caliper stuck somewhere. Or I may have to give it a old push. slipper. Yeah, so that tells you how long she's been sitting. She moves, boys. She moves. One less problem on the list, but I had faith in the old Ford Mustang. Oh, the old girl, she runs, she moves. Just gonna hope the old headlight stays in.
Smoking a little bit from that extra oil I put on the headers to keep them nice and shiny.
Maybe a little bit of just cobwebs and everything else. This thing's more of a hazard for a fire than anything. But from what my memory and everything else comes to this, my mom sold the car off in, God almighty, 2000, I think it was 2000, maybe 14, 15. And it didn't run for the couple years before that. I don't remember exactly why. But the kid that I got it from, like I said, I think he bought it, and his dad or something had bought it for him, that then they were gonna build it and mess with it or whatever, and like I said, it looks like they rattle canned her or put wheels on her and changed the headlights. I don't know if they ever made it run or move, but he said it had been sitting in the spot it was in for a couple years at least. So it's kind of fun to see it now, especially after all these years. Let's go ahead and give you a general idea. This whole 100,000 miles, 113,000. Huh. Well, we either got all the oil pressure, no battery, a lot of gas, or something. Got to look into that. But everything's seeming okay for now. But yeah, boys and girls, we'll see what happens. See what happens. We're gonna let it run and do its thing for a little bit and check over some things and see about getting her buttoned up and ready to rock and roll. Alright, y'all, everything seems all in well so far that we can tell. Nothing that might be an issue. We might have to go around the block and make sure brakes is okay. They don't feel that phenomenal. And the funny part about all this, is having two people messing with something. We always seem to not pay attention to one or the other, and we go back and do the same thing that the other one just done. It's real comedic. But y'all must explain something to y'all. I don't know what it is, but my God, if they could make smell-o-vision or whatever, the smell protruding from this back seat area is ungodly. So we're gonna have to give it a little spray down or something, cause that's bad. That's real bad. But yeah, as we were taking around and looking, I looked really good into this date. When this thing was registered last, my mom was, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's 07, it was 06, because there's 05, yeah. 06 was the last time when she had it registered, the last time before. When it went down or whatever, for whatever reason that was. So yeah. But alright guys, we're gonna attempt to pick up some tools and everything else and see if everything's good to go with the brakes, and we're gonna see if we can get this bad girl out of here. Alright guys, so we are fitting to head out. Everything seems good to go. Hopefully it all stays well and held together. Got got faith in the old crusty duck. Alright guys, so of course, you know, we made it. This is our lovely end spot in recording, it seems. But yeah, we made it back with the car. It's a car. I got a little bit of information from my dad, kind of giving me a general idea about the last time they had messed with it or anything like that. A starter had been put in it at one point. It was the most recent thing. A couple other little pieces and bits. And he said that after that, they kind of just gave up and walked away from it. So that was the end of it. And my mom just kind of wanted it gone. So henceforth, why it was sold and such forth and so on. But old Derry here was the driver of the motor vehicle. And let's just say that that steering wheel was extra sloppy.
My steering wheel more worn out than a 2004 four-wheel drive Power Stroke.
And we all know about them Fords and the sloppy front ends. We like to jump around the highway a bit. But guys, so now as for the Mustang, we are going to keep it on the channel. It's going to be a growing project for us. It's kind of like, it's going to be a gift back to my mom for basically everything she's done for me. So we're going to dig into it, tear it apart, completely go through the car and change some things on it and make it something really special for her. And take it back to as basically brand new as possible and as stock as possible. And, you know, give it to her maybe as a birthday gift or something on down the road. And we'll figure that out from there, guys. But go ahead and, guys, and, you know, hit that subscribe and like button and follow along for that build. And, guys, you know, I really appreciate all the views and subscriptions so far, man. You guys have been great, and we greatly appreciate it. Through and through. But guys, we're signing off once again. We appreciate y'all so very much. We'll see you on the next one.
See you next time.